We'll fly with Bot and Vampire and some other people. It's gonna be great. I better get on the road because I'm late again. I was supposed to leave at like 11. It is 12:57. Oops. I'm not gonna get there at 3, but you know, it'll be plenty of time to rip. It doesn't get dark till like 7, so hopefully I'll get through all 15 packs that I brought with me and get to do a bunch of other fun stuff too. I brought some RC stuff. I didn't bring my bike, but yeah, we're gonna go fly. It's gonna be good. It should be a great time. I'm really looking forward. What the shit? Anyways, I'm really looking forward to it. It's gonna be great. I'll see you guys there. Let's get going. Hey, it's me. I'm still on the road. Look at this stuff. We're driving some real country shit.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so it looks like they're diverting traffic or something. I don't know what's going on. There's like, this is ridiculous. You guys want to see this? Look at this shit. So yeah, we'll get there eventually. All right, we're here. We made it.
You made it.
Bam.
Made it.
The crew.
I'm not bombing anybody's vlog today. I'm trying to be good.
Trying to be good. Let's get some packs out because time's a motherfucking wasting. I don't know where I'm gonna fit this thing. I don't have hot motors.
Mine's on 6, yeah. It's fucking insane. It's a nice radio.
Yeah, but it's also 1/6 though, right?
1/8 scale.
Or his.
His, yeah, it's probably 1/8. Like, usually everything to us 1/8. Like 1/6 is super expensive.
Yeah, it's got some shoots to it.
Beep boop ba boop boop ba beep.
I've had the same phone number for a decade, and Barrick's phone model strapped next to my left leg. My first power up was a flip phone, and I could feel the power moving up through my hip bone. Yeah, I got a lady and I dance with her. I'm happy to see her, but what she feels is my transmitter. My antenna spans killing. I'm all full of data like a Spider-Man villain. Yeah, I'm part flesh and part energy. The last text I sent you was from the heart, literally. Taking flights shit gets really, really deep. I put myself on airplane mode and go to sleep. Between my cell phone, router, computer, and solar radiation, my body's full of information. Yeah! I have the power! My body's full of information. Yeah. And I don't need a lawyer. Every time I make a call, I get a centimeter taller. Yeah, I'm in the skies like the white guy. Motherfuck yo Spotify, my mind is an iPod. Both of my feet is iPads really. Yeah. And this hand here's an iPad mini. And this other hand is an old wired magazine. When I pass gas, it sounds like a fax machine. I be thinking the secret shit and deleting it. My mind's on the internet. If I speak it, I'm tweeting it. A lawsuit, some people wanna start one, but I got superpowers, so I'm like no harm done. I'm 1,000 feet tall, I don't need no litigation. My body's full of information. Yeah. My body's full of information.
What's a computer, man? I don't even know what that is. I don't even watch TV. What's catfish? Don't know much about science book. Never read the atlas. My raps run laps around tracks like Pistorius. Wonder how he finna do the new Harlem shake at the wake bower. 2 8s figure skate on the lake. Computer, if I fake, I'm a Jake. If I lie, I'ma die. I clean up and look fly in a tie. If you're lost, I'ma find you. Time after time, I am the slime. Dime after dime. Jukebox money dance. Dumb Bob funny pants. Run God, Dunny got a gun in the underpants. Hit the red grass, do the thunder dance. Take a peek under that. Run tell shunder that. Somebody run me down the basic premise of Thundercats. It seems somehow relevant to the conversation. The kid's so high, he didn't know how to play the PlayStation. Live life on a day-to-day basis. It pays to stay amazingly vaporless. Gaze into the ways of stay April. Bitch. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch.
I try to get, flip over you, but I tap the ground first. I'm like, fuck, and get away from John. Don't kill John. I want a bird baby. I want a bird baby. All right, so we came, we saw, we ripped packs. Sadly, it's probably time to go home, but I'm probably not gonna go right now. I'm gonna goof around with some RC car stuff around the parking lot. And you guys can watch that if I actually set up my tripod like a normal person. But I probably won't. I don't know. Who knows? Thanks for watching. You do all those things you're supposed to do at the end of a YouTube video. Like, subscribe to Bot Grinder. Subscribe to Vampire. Subscribe to that guy. I don't know his name exactly, but... And subscribe to me, and hit the like and comment button. Read the details, because inside there, if I use anybody's music that is not signed, it'll be in there, and you can go get it from Bandcamp. It's a good time. Fun spot. Long drive, but why not? Videos over there, subscribe link over there, or subscribe link over there, videos somewhere. Click on something and continue on your journey on watching FPV, fly quads and stuff. I'm gonna go home and see my girlfriend. Hi.